In this video, I'm gonna review Magnum software for you. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that what Magnum software is and how you can benefit a lot from it, guys. It's going to be super cool, guys. I recently come across with this software and I decided to share it with you. As you can see, I have a separate page for this review, which you can find a link below in the description with all my bonuses after you get that product through my link. So in a nutshell, Magnum is a one-click software that allows you to sell your digital products and physical products in only one software. So it means that if you want to have an e-commerce store, you don't have to like spend a monthly fee on Shopify, which is almost $29 per month at least. This software has only a one-time payment and it's over. So you only pay once for it, and then there is no monthly fee involved with it, and you have your e-commerce store up and running in a matter of minutes. So I'm also inside the members area that I want to show you how this software works, what kind of benefits it has, all the pros and cons. Everything is going to be mentioned inside Magnum review. So don't forget to tap the like button if you like this video and stick with me until the end of this video. But before I dive into the members area, guys, I would like to talk about the bonuses that you're going to receive from me and the vendor all together after you purchase the product. So the bonuses that you're going to get from me is going to be this one. The first bonus is going to be affiliate rocket hacks. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, guys, even with Magnum, it's totally possible. That's why I decided to put this bonus as the first bonus, which is about affiliate marketing, about the tips and tricks that how you can get more successful, how you can be more successful in this industry. So this is the first bonus that I have for you guys, and by clicking on any of these red buttons here, you will be able to get access to all the bonuses, guys. You will get redirected to the sales page, and after you got the product, guys, the only thing you need to do is just go to this purchase history on the top right corner on Warrior Plus. This is going to be the second screenshot, and then you click on access access bonus. And after that, you will be able to download all my bonuses from in one page. So the vendor's bonus is going to be different from me, but I'm going to show you how many bonuses he's got. It's going to blow your mind. But this is the first bonus that I'm giving you. The second bonus is going to be e-commerce golden steps, which is an exclusive tutorial that I decided to share it with you, and it's all about e-commerce stores. Again, tips and tricks about e-commerce, how we can actually be more successful in this industry, and how we can sell more products over time by using this software, which is Magnum. It's going to be so helpful for you guys. If you're interested in that, you know how to get it. So the third bonus is called funnel optimization hack. It's going to be not totally 100% related to Magnum, guys, but it's really helpful for your journey in marketing. So if you know how to optimize funnels properly, guys, it doesn't matter whether it's affiliate marketing or you're selling physical products, digital products, or even an e-commerce store, funnel optimization is the key part, is the key aspect for every successful business. And it's going to be my third bonus. The value is $97, but it's 100% free of charge. You don't have to spend a dime on it. You will get access to these bonuses after you purchase the product. I'm gonna break down the cost and everything in the next minute. So bonus number 4, Newbie Traffic Academy. It's all about traffic, driving traffic to your product, to your sales page, your funnels. All of them are included inside this bonus, which is called Newbie Traffic Academy, which is the exclusive version. And the last one is accessing to all vendor bonuses that I'm going to show you right now. So these are the bonuses you're going to get from me, but the bonuses that you're going to receive from the vendor, there's going to be so many of them, guys. As you can see, the first one is pro reviews, Magnum traffic, viral feeds, like e-compare to Amazon sources, a smart promoter. I mean, there are so many of them. If I scroll down to the bottom of the page, you see that there are 19 bonuses that you're going to get solely from the vendor. and all of them are really high quality. So WP video focus, WP in content pop-up pro, mobile to a step opt-in generator, and so many others. So 19 bonuses from the vendor and 4 bonuses from me. There's going to be 23 bonuses, but keep in mind that all of them will be available at no cost for you. So again, you can find the link exactly below this video. It's going to be the first link that you will get access to this page. And after that, by clicking on any of these red buttons here, you can get my bonuses. So this is it, guys. Let's dive into the members area to show you the advantages of this software. And let's take a look together. So there are so many items on the left side, as you can see, guys. We have the dashboard. This is a demo account. I'm not using it, so that's why it's 0. We have the orders pending from people, orders processing for physical products, and orders completed. So you see that popular products are right here. So for example, we have the feature image, name, category, and the price, and we have the option to take a look at the details as well. And also we have recent products right here and total sales in the last 30 days. As you can see, we have a stat here, and also top referrals from, there are external referrals, external links from the other websites, which is going to be a super cool option to have, because it's going to help you to leverage your business on that particular platform, which can be Facebook or whatever. So this is the front page that you're going to see after you get the product. So the second one is Magnum training. So it's all about the training. Is a members training that you can watch. The video is it's a minute long, and we have these videos here: adding your own products, finding and adding affiliate products, social share, firing up the viral traffic monster. So make sure to watch these videos, guys. They're gonna help you a lot in your process. So we have Magnum support desk, Magnum support email. So if you know what they are, we have Magnum autoresponder. It's a very sweet part that you don't even have to have the external autoresponders and pay them monthly fees to to just keep you on their autoresponder, and you just can send out limited emails. So but this one is going to be unlimited for only one-time payments, and the Orion is what they use. You just need to sign up here, and after that you can have your own autoresponder. So this is Magnum autoresponder. We have Magnum upgrades. If you're interested in getting more benefits, you can feel free to upgrade it to the higher version. I'm going to show you how much it costs. We have done for you products, which is Amazon and ClickBank. It's so cool. I'm going to click on ClickBank, guys, and you see that the file is downloaded right here. So if I click on it, there's going to be so many products inside this file that are trending right now on ClickBank, and you can literally add those products in this software with your affiliate link, and if someone purchased this software, you can easily, or the product, you can easily get your commission. And this is how it works, guys. This is so cool. They already handpicked the trending products, so you don't have to go out and do your own diligence to do the research. You just can download the file and see what's working and what's not. So we have orders here, all orders, the pending ones, processing orders, completed ones, and so on. We have products. We can add a new product, so I'm going to show you how it works. We have the physical, digital, and the license ones. So cool, guys. So for example, if you want to add a digital product, you have the option to put the product name. We have the category right here. So let's say that it's going to be I don't know, doesn't matter really, it's electronics, and the subcategory is going to be television or washing machine, air conditioners, like television. And child category is totally different. We have select upload type, that you literally put the final destination right here, whether it's going to be file or a URL. And here you can add a little bit of product description about this product. You have the option to put the return policy option if you want, and also this is a really cool option at the end that allows you to involve SEO. So if you check this option, you see that you're able to add meta tags and meta description, and it's really critical if you want to get ranked on the first page of Google. Both of them are really important. meta tags and meta description. So make sure to fill them out correctly based on the product you're adding to get ranked higher in the first page of Google. So it's going to help you a lot. So SEO is always number one, and you cannot neglect it. So it's done for your products. We have orders. I already showed you products and affiliate products. So see, affiliate products, if I click on all affiliate products, some of them are already listed here, that you can change the name, you can change the status, you can change the options, and also the price. It's going to be so cool. And you see the type, whether it's physical or digital. So for example, for this one, if I click on actions, I'll be able to edit it or view it, or I can also deactivate it if I want. So if I click on actions, if I click on view gallery, see that, oh, there's no image on it. So I can, just head to this section and I can add my own image. So see, this one has an image, and we have the price here. We have the category again, as I showed you, product affiliate link, which is, for Amazon, certainly, or if you have your own product, you can do the same thing. It's so cool, guys, because it allows you to put both affiliate products and your own product. So which is a really huge option. So you have so many things to do. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you can do that. If you want to provide your own products, you can also do that too. So, and this is how it works for the products. We have the social share. You can see your customers here. You can see the vendors here. You can add vendors. You can add admins, moderators. You can add all of them here. So vendor verifications, vendor subscription plans, manage categories. You have blogs, which is super cool, guys. If I click on the post, you see that it's going to act as WordPress. And if I click on add new post, I can literally do anything I want, the same as WordPress. So we have the category. Let's say I need to add a category first, and then I can select it from here. I can add the title, I can add an image, description, source, and tags. That's it. I upload my post. It's going to rank on the first page of Google, guys, because Magnum has already got its traffic. And that's why when you want to publish a post, the traffic is kind of there. And you just need to publish it properly with a right SEO optimization. So again, you can click on allow blog SEO. You can fill it up with meta tags, meta description, and tags, and that's it for blog. So we have messages, we have homepage settings, we have menu page settings. So if I click on menu page setting, I want to see that what's coming up: contact us page, other pages, email setting, payments, social settings, and language. So there's so many items, guys, on the left side, and you can literally get access to all of them with only one-time payments. So I'm going to show you that how much it costs. So this is the whole members area, guys. I don't want to spend too much time on it. I just wanted to give you an idea that what you get from this software. So let's get into the pricing right now. So before that, I'm going to take you to the sales page to show you how it looks like, guys. So this is the sales page that you're going to see after clicking on the link below in the description. And if you click on one of those red buttons, you will be taken right here. So as you can see, it's gonna talk about the steps that you need to take in order to activate these products. There is a video here, and again, there's some descriptions here. So I mean, it's gonna be so long. Again, some benefits, pros, cons, everything is right here. That feel free to check it out yourself. So there are so many things here. I don't want to spend too much time on it, but this is how the sales page looks like. Again, you know how to get access to this page. So, but let's go to the pricing, that how much it actually costs. So it's only $17, guys, believe it or not, only $17. You don't have to, as I said, there's no recurring payments or something like this. For the front end is $17. So for the first upgrade, it's going to be $197, which is this is going to be $39 for the first upgrade. It's going to be $39, and you will get unlimited edition of Magnum that lets your customers build unlimited stores and run unlimited traffic campaigns. So this is how it works, guys. You will get unlimited stores and unlimited traffic campaigns for the first upgrade. For the second upgrade, so it'll be delivering done for you traffic and sales. So I mean, they're gonna do it for you, obviously. This is what it said right here. deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. And the third upsell is going to be you will be able to activate all the automation tools within Magnum. I don't know what the automation tools are exactly, but you can check it out on the sales page because I haven't been through it completely, but this is what they say. So, and the last upgrade, I mean the fourth upgrade, it's going to be we actually set up a funnel for you on your hosting with your accounts so you can build a list and make money. Not only is the funnel completely set up for them, but we also include autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails added, and additional traffic tutorials, which is gonna be super cool, guys. I personally like the fourth upgrade because as you can see, they're gonna do the squeeze page, they're gonna add the email autoresponder for me, they're gonna integrate it, and also I'm gonna get the email sequences as well. And the last one, which is setting up fully functioning custom store for you. So it's gonna be the end of it, guys. They're gonna do literally everything from A to Z with the last upgrade, which is the fifth one. And here are some key benefits that you get. Feel free to check it out yourself, guys. The link is exactly below in the video. It's gonna be the first link in the description. And you already got my bonuses. You know how they work, how you can benefit from it. I already showed you the vendors bonuses as well. You will get 23 bonuses in total. And keep in mind that by just getting the front end product, you will be able to get access to the bonuses, guys. So the rest of them are going to be extra for your benefit. But if you want to get access to the bonuses, the front end is going to be enough for that. So this is how we can get it. And I think I covered pretty much everything for you. I've taken you to the members area. I've taken you to the sales page to show you how it looks like. Everything is covered right here. And I hope that, everything looks fine right now. But if you have any question, guys, please don't forget to leave your comment below this video, or you can personally reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to respond to your questions. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you later.